everyone, so in today's video I decided to do a little haul video. I did some shopping yesterday and a couple of days ago and I shared only a couple of bits with you on Instagram. So I decided to do a big haul of all of the things that I bought. I literally just got home, so I'm like rushing to get this filmed so I don't forget to film it because I've been putting off filming for such a long time now. But anyway, I'm going to jump straight into it. I have a couple of things from Penneys, River Island, H&M and New Look. So let's go. So the first thing I have is one thing from New Look, and it's actually from the sale, and it's this jumper. So it's a stripy jumper. I don't know if you can see, but it's like really soft on the inside and I really like it. It has long sleeves and then like these kind of openings on the side at the end. This was originally $22.99, but I got it for €12. So yeah, it's nice and oversized because I got mine in a 6. I'm not a 6 ever. I'm never a 6. So it's very oversized. And yeah, I thought it was a nice jumper just to throw on with some jeans. Next I have H&M, and the item that I'm going to show you're probably going to be like, did you not just show that a second ago? No. It's very similar. It's literally kind of the exact same jumper, but this one is soft like on the outside and it's not soft on the inside. I know, it's the only difference, but it's really nice. It was only €3. It was originally €15, but I got it for 3. So I just couldn't leave it in the shop. And I know that I'm going to wear it because I love stripes and I love jumpers like this. Just to wear with jeans to college and things like that. So I'm definitely going to get my wear out of that one. And then another thing from H&M that was on sale as well. It was originally 15, but I got it for 5. And it's these kind of casual tracksuit bottoms. And again, they're really soft. I'm not sure if you can tell by the material right there. And then they have like 2 little ties here. And they're high-waisted. They're super comfy. I don't know, they're just so soft. I just want to put them on right now and just get into bed. But yeah, they were €5 and I thought they'd be really nice just to lounge in around the house. And then the last thing I have from H&M is something that I wasn't supposed to buy. I literally saw it and I was like, oh my god, I need that. And the funny fact is that there was only 2 jumpers like this left. One was in like extra small and one was in a large. So I took the large, and this is the jumper. So it says Friends on it. It's a black jumper. I'm sorry about the lighting. It's gone crazy now because of the black. It's a black jumper and it says Friends on it, and it has a hood and a little pocket here. But yeah, simple black jumper, but I love Friends and I know that I'm going to get so much wear out of this. I just cannot wait to wear this. So it wasn't on sale or anything. It was $22.99, but as I said, I'm going to wear it literally every day. I bet people in college are going to be sick of me wearing that because I always just wear like comfy stuff in college. So yeah, that's going to be one of my outfits for sure. Then the last thing I got from H&M, again, it wasn't on sale, so you can definitely pick it up. I'm going to link everything down below that I can find. It's this t-shirt. I actually wore it yesterday, so excuse me if it's a little bit creased because it needs to go to the wash. But it's a long sleeve t-shirt. I thought it was a jumper on the website, but it's actually a t-shirt. And then it has yellow on the neck and the sleeves, so I thought it was a nice pop of colour. This was $7.99, which was really nice. It's super soft. I could literally wear this every single day in different colours, but I believe this is the only colour they had. So I would highly recommend this top because it's my favourite thing ever, and now I have to put it in the wash and wait like a couple of days so I can wear it again. Let me know if you hate that as well. If you have like, I have like one pair of jeans that I really like, and I just hate seeing them in the wash. Like, it takes like a good couple of days for them to come out and for me to actually wear them again. But yeah, anyway, that top is really nice and I cannot wait to wear it again. Then I popped into River Island yesterday after work and I picked up one thing, and it's a pair of jeans. Now if you know me or you've been watching my videos, then you know that I literally only wear Topshop jeans. And there was a Topshop in Liffey Valley. I'm not sure if you're around Dublin, but there's Liffey Valley Shopping Centre, and there was a Topshop in there and it's gone now. And yesterday at the till in River Island, I was talking to a girl and she was like, oh yeah, they're getting rid of Topshop in Ireland, like all of them. And I was like, really, why? And she was like, oh, it's because of Brexit. And I was like, right, lovely. So I just didn't know what to do with my Topshop jeans, because Topshop jeans are the only jeans I wear. They're just so comfortable. And whenever I go and try jeans in a different shop, it's just not the same. So I never buy any other jeans from any other shop. So I had to go into River Island and try some jeans on, because so many people rave about their jeans and they say that they're just as good as Topshop. So I had to go in, I had to try them on. I tried on the Molly jeans, which are the like high-waisted ones, but they don't have like, they have fake pockets, so like they don't actually have pockets. It just looks like it has pockets, but it doesn't. And they don't have, most of them don't have the belt, what's it called? The little hooks for the belt. They don't have that. So that's a no for me. I just don't like that. So I went for the Harper jeans and I got them in 12 regular. Yeah, they were €50 and this is what they look like. So they're high-waisted jeans, just like the Molly ones, but I feel like they're Jamie jeans, but a River Island version of them. They're super comfortable, they're super stretchy, and yeah, I feel like I'll be happy with those. They're like a little bit distressed at the end, but they don't have any holes. I just wanted plain jeans without any holes or anything like that. This is what they look like at the back. And yeah, super simple, but I have a feeling these will be my new favourites, and Harper jeans from River Island will be my next jean obsession. So if you're looking for any other jeans in Topshop, definitely check out River Island. Go in, try them on, and yeah, give them a go. Because I do really like these, and I feel like these will be my new favourite pair of jeans. Anyway, let's move away from River Island and let's go to Penneys. Or Primark, whatever you want to call it, wherever you're from. I usually call it Primark in videos because I feel like not many people actually call it Penneys. Not many people that watch my videos are Irish. So I call it Primark. But yeah, I did some damage. I think I spent €65. And I only went in for like 3 things. That always happens, always. Anyway, the first thing I have in here, I need to put this down. Hang on, bear with me. First thing I have is, I'm going to put it back on the hanger. It's this top. So it's leopard print, because leopard print is everywhere right now, if you haven't seen it already. So it's a long sleeve top in, I believe it's a crop top, definitely. It has like a crisscross V-neck, but I feel like I'm going to like pin it here maybe, because it's a little bit too much. I feel like a strappy black bra would look really nice underneath this, because I definitely have to wear a bra under that. It's a little bit see-through, like I can see the camera right now. It was €10. I got mine in a 12 because I didn't want it to be like really stuck to me, really like skinny looking. Although I feel like this is gonna be too big, because my medium is a 12 to 14 now. I should have probably got the small, but yeah, that's what it looks like. The back is just normal, and yeah, I really like it. I haven't tried it on actually, so we'll see how I get on with it when I actually try on. But I thought it would look really nice with jeans, high-waisted black jeans maybe. Yeah. So that's the first thing I got. Then I got another top, and I got this one in a 12 as well. But it's really oversized. So again, could probably go on with a 10. This is what it looks like. It's a green khaki, I think that's how you say it. I can never pronounce that word correctly. It's like a top. It's not a crop top. No, it's not a crop top. It has a couple of tortoiseshell buttons down the middle. It was €13, and I just thought again it would be a nice top to wear with jeans, because I can never find like tops to wear with jeans, like nice tops. I don't mean like casual tops, but like nicer tops. How many times can I say tops? Yeah, so I thought I would pick it up whilst I actually saw one, because I can never find any. So that was that, €13. Next I got some pants. They were €3 for 3 pairs. Stocking up on some essentials. Then I got some socks, and these were originally $4.50, but they're on like a big stand for $2.50. So there is 5 pairs for $2.50. I thought that was good. Then I got some fluffy socks because I love fluffy socks. I wear them all the time, even though it's warm, I still wear them. And I was going through my fluffy sock drawer the other day and getting rid of like old ones and the ones that just don't look nice and are not as fluffy anymore. So I thought I would replace those. So this was €3 for 3 pairs, so €1 each. I think that's really good. I got them in just this grey colour. There's so many colours. But yeah, I thought these were really, really nice. So yeah, fluffy socks. I'm going to wear a pair tonight. Now this purchase might be a little bit too early, but Penny's Primark has all their like winter stuff in. Well, not all of them. I feel like there's going to be more, but it's coming in now and it's still 20 degrees outside. But I saw this and it's a leopard print scarf. I thought it would be really nice just to wear with a all black outfit. So like black jeans, black boots, black coat, and this. I feel like it's going to be really nice. It's an oversized, what's it called? Scarf. I don't know what that means. Is it huge like? Oh, cute. Off I go on my adventures. Anyway, it was €8. It's really soft, it's really nice. And it'll be cute. Hopefully. I'll style it somehow. I wouldn't wear it with like any more leopard print, I don't think. Maybe just a belt or something. I ordered a belt the other day from Pretty Little Thing. I was going to include it in this haul, but of course Pretty Little Thing delivery is ridiculous. I ordered it last Saturday. It's now Monday. So a week and 2 days. And it's still not here. I ordered a leopard print belt and like an oversized grey jumper, but I'm sure you'll see it on my Instagram. So look out for that. Yeah, the scarf, €8, really good, nice and soft. So I'm looking forward to wearing that. Surprise, surprise! I got more socks. These are 3 pairs of black socks for $3.50. They're like, what are they called? Massage, soft touch, cushion sole. Yeah, they're very soft. Yeah, $3.50 black socks. I don't have anything else to say about those. Then I got a pack of bobbins because I bought a packet like this about 2 years ago and only now I'm starting to run out of them. But all these skinny ones are my favourites. I only use these if I wear my hair in a ponytail, but otherwise I just use this. So yeah, I got a pack of those. All of them are for $1.50, so you can't go wrong. Super cheap. And to go with that, I got some bobby pins. And they're $1.50 for a pack of all of these. However many this is. Oh, 50. 50 bobby pins for $1.50. Good. 2 more things to go. The first thing I got is some pajama bottoms. And this is what they look like. So they're Friends pajama bottoms. They were €6 and they just have little Friends things on them. Yeah. Not much I can say about those. They didn't have any tops to go with them, but the shorts are fine to me. At least I have something. They were €6. Did I say that? €6. And the last thing I picked up, I got a super oversized black turtleneck jumper. This is what it looks like. I got it in a large. There's something white on it. It's just a plain black jumper with long sleeves. It's a turtleneck, as I said, and it was €13. Very soft. It's not like itchy or anything. I feel like wool jumpers, I don't like wool jumpers whatsoever. They're so itchy. So this one's really nice. Yeah, €13. There was other colours as well, and there's so many other jumpers, but I was like, no, I already have a whole drawer full of jumpers, so I can't buy any more. And it's only August, so I'm sure I'm going to buy more winter things from Penny's soon. But yeah, that's everything that I got recently. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already, because I would love to have you here. Yeah, I'm going to try and get back into filming videos. I keep putting off filming. I don't know what's that on the screen. But yeah, I just thought I'd do like a little casual haul today, but it's already 17 minutes long. So I'm gonna go. I hope you're well. I hope you have a lovely day whenever you're watching this, and I will see you soon. Bye!